Hello, I heard about the fidget craze, and I got one for my birthday. It's just a plain one. I never used one before. Before this, I've only seen some videos, so this is gonna be like my reaction to the fidget spinner. I gotta unbox it here. There's like no instructions or anything in the box. It sounds really rattly. I was only seeing people like spin it. It actually spins like really easy. That feels really cool. I've only seen people spin it in the middle, but like it spins on the sides, but like you can't do that, I guess. Like nobody bothers with the side ones. So, because you can only do that? It has like little inscriptions on the wheel things. This is addicting. It feels cool. It's like there's nothing in your hand, but there's a little tiny bit of weight. Oh cool, that looks 3D. Ah! It flew in my hand. It's just cool to play with, I guess. I'm trying to see like what that looks like. It feels like it's going like this. That's cool. Nobody bothers with the sides though, because you can't. Can I spin it on my finger? That's really hard to spin that on my finger. Oh, you can hold it. That's cool, you can hold the middle. Yeah, it goes a lot faster on the table. Can you do that? No, it's because it's not. I guess that works. Huh. That's pretty cool. This one can go forever. It goes pretty fast. Damn, that was pretty cool. This is ABEC-5 608ZZ. Like, what does that mean? I'm smelling. It smells really oily, like, you know, like it smells like a car. Because it got bearings in it, and I gotta grease up the bearings. Wow. Seems pretty simple, but it's pretty complicated. I'm having some like metal after it. Then you can see the bearings inside a little bit. I feel it's been faster than this though. I know people can do tricks with them, but I can't barely spin it on my finger. I don't know if this would actually help you concentrate, like say I'm typing or something, or like you can only do things with one hand. Whoa. It like floats. It's like, it feels like it's floating in your hand. That's why it feels cool. just like, whoa, this thing is spinning really fast, and it's like, I'm not even moving. I do like... So that has been my reaction to fidget spinners. They're pretty cool, but they're not gonna last long, the fad, for sure. I guess I can see how they can be collectible, but they don't really do that much. Still cool though. Thank you for watching. Leave a like down below, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment below what you think about fidget spinners. I think they're cool. The hype is like so much though. I'm just a little bit, tiny bit disappointed because I thought you could spin on these. And then I only seen people spinning like that and it's like, oh. Bye!